Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a look at what AUD USD will actually be giving us for the next day, which is for the 30th. First, we will start with the trend. You can see that this is clearly an uptrend move, right? Price is actually going up. Right now, there is kind of like a bearish move, which is serving as a pullback. So we would still expect more drop to be made on AUD USD. So this is why I said for next day, at least we should also expect a bearish move. Let's possibly see that bearish move to tap our 10 period simple moving average and possibly break below it. So that is what I will be watching out for. Now let's see what this 4-hour time frame is actually saying. So we can see that at first on this 4-hour time frame, there was kind of bit of a ranging, within markets within this level, right? Then eventually price broke below it. So before you actually go ahead and sell, I think you should actually wait for kind of like a pullback to test the level price broke out from. If eventually price can test the level, then that should be a good opportunity for us to go ahead and sell. Because if you should take that sell right now, definitely price will surely give us a pullback, and for you to not get taken out, you need to have a very wide stop loss, which I will not advise you to. Just be patient enough. If price will drop a little bit, then give us a pullback, then you can go ahead and sell on AUD USD. So that is what I have. And the 1 hour time frame, same thing, similar movement is what I'll be expecting. So to those that are interested in my Patreon, you can actually check the link. I'll be putting the link in the comment section. Actually, go ahead. I'm going to be sharing with you some trade that I'll be taking for the week and also trade for the day. And I will also upload. I'm going to pin, a video to this my channel. You can actually check it. You see it up. I actually did analysis on the trade that we will be taking on Monday, which you actually took it. So you can actually go ahead, try this subscription. The thing is that you will not even be charged immediately. You will be charged next month. That is the 1st of February next 1st of February. That is when you will be charged. So you can actually give it a try, right? And, be able to get some access, to the videos that I have shared previously.